Hey sweeties, it's Ruth. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to talk about another palette. So I will be reviewing a new palette for you. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so you get notified whenever I posted a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. In today's video, I am going to review the newest burger palette by Glamlite. So Glamlite is an indie brand that makes cosmetics inspired by food. So it's like food and cosmetics combined together. The founder of the Glamlite is Giselle Hernandez. She made this cosmetic line to combine her love for food and also for makeup, and also to stand up for fat shaming and bullying. This is how the box looks like. As you can see, there's like a burger in there, juicy burger, and then when you open it up, you're gonna see a card. This is a card by the founder. Then on the other side, you have this guest check right here. It is a discount. You're also gonna get a $5 gift card. Once you open the palette, you're gonna see that it is wrapped up in this grease paper that you can see on typical burgers. When you remove it, you're gonna see the burger. So this palette is huge and it's really cute, and it has this dome shaped type on top, and it's squishy, so it's really nice. I mean, that was nice for a palette, and it's really great. The packaging is really great, and then when you open it up, you're gonna see a large mirror right there. And this, how big is the palette? See, it covers my face, and yeah, this is what the inside looks like. You can actually fold it if you want to, and then this one right here, the palette can stand on its own. So it has 16 eyeshadow shades. I am now gonna try to create a look using as much shadows as I can, because there is a lot of shadows in the palette. So yeah, let's get on to the look. First of all, I am going to do the same thing as what I am doing in my other palette reviews. I am going to use a primer. So I am using the P. Louise Base Pro, and in shade number 2, which is the Rumor. So the first shade that I am going in is going to be the mixture of onion rings and sweet potato fries, and I will be using that for my transition. Next is I am going in with this shade, which is Ketchup, and I'll be putting that on to the outer V just to define the red a little bit. Now we are going to take the shade Red Onions right here, and then we're gonna put that on top of Ketchup just to define it a little bit more. We are now going to cut the crease. I'm gonna use my P. Louise base again. I am going to take a makeup wipe and just clean it up a little bit on the inside where we are going to cut the crease. I am now going into the shimmery shades. I am going in first with cheddar, which is this gold color right here. Then we're going to tap that into the inner corner. Now onto the next shade, I am going to take lettuce, and I'll be putting that on the side of cheddar. I didn't spray the brush with Fix Plus or any setting spray. After that, I am going to take the shade Pickles, which is a little bit of a darker green, and I'll put that onto the side of lettuce. I am going into the shade, which is Blue Cheese. The formula of this one, it was like a cream eyeshadow, so it's soft. So we're gonna put that onto this last part right here. Honestly, I am living with this shimmer or metallic shadows that they have. It was really nice, and yeah, I really love it actually. Okay, pretty much the eye look is done. I am going to zoom you out. I'm just gonna put my lashes in and also my eyeliner, and then so now I am back with my final thoughts for the palette. I finished my whole face and I didn't just film because I just wanted to focus on the palette. So my final thoughts, let me say I was amazed with the packaging. It was actually a great idea to put cosmetics and food together. I mean, it's so interesting that they came up with the idea of a food inspired. They actually have different ones. I think they just released the taco palette, and then they have the pizza palette, which I am going to review on my future videos. And yeah, starting with the packaging, I was amazed. I really like the fact that they actually shaped the top like a burger, which they have that dome shape right there, and it has like the squishy thing, because I think that really helps in protecting the palette itself and also the mirror inside. And I really love the fact that this palette can stand on its own. Let me show you. It can stand on its own like that, or when you open it up, it can also stand on its own. So overall, the palette is 100 for me. I really love that they came up with this idea. So the formula of each shadows are really great. They are pigmented, as you can see in my eyes. They are really blendable, especially the matte shades. Just a little bit of fallout on them, but it doesn't affect the pigmentation or the color payoff of the shadows. When it comes to the metallic or shimmery shades, I really love them. They're really pigmented. I didn't spray any Fix Plus on the brush, so you can really see how fine the shimmers on it. I also like that they put this, I think this is the 1000 Island and Blue Cheese. They have same formula, and the formula of them is like a cream eyeshadow, which the other brands came into the pot, but yeah, they put it into their palette, which is really nice. So overall, I am amazed with this palette. I will continue using it on my future videos or my future looks that I will create, and it's really nice, and it's really fun to actually play around with a palette like this. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like the look that I created, and I really hope that you actually enjoyed this video. So if you're interested in buying the palette and trying them out, make sure you click the link below. I will actually direct you to the link of the shop, or the shop of the Glamlite Cosmetics. And disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not an affiliate or something from them. I just wanted to make your life easier, so I will link their shop down below. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell down below if you want to see more videos like this. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And yeah, I think that's it for today. Let's wrap this up, and I'll see you guys on my next video.